Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In our next video on watering techniques, we're focusing on efficient watering solutions, soaker hoses, and drip irrigation. Let's get started. Soaker hoses and drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the base of the plant, minimizing water wastage and ensuring that the water reaches the roots where it's most needed. Soaker hoses are porous hoses that release water along their length. They are laid on the soil surface or buried under mulch to provide consistent moisture directly to the root zone. Drip irrigation systems deliver water slowly and precisely to each plant. Emitters are placed near the base of the plants, allowing water to penetrate deeply into the soil. This method is particularly effective for conserving water and ensuring thorough soil saturation. Soaker hoses. Lay the soaker hose on the soil surface or under mulch. Connect to a water source and turn on the water at low pressure. Ensure the hose is evenly spaced around plants for uniform watering. Drip irrigation. Lay out the main tubing along your garden beds. Insert emitters near the base of each plant. Connect to a water source and adjust the flow rate for slow, deep watering. Using soaker hoses and drip irrigation systems provides numerous benefits for your garden. They reduce water wastage, deliver water directly to the root zone, and promote healthy plant growth by ensuring deep soil penetration. Soaker hoses and drip irrigation are efficient watering solutions that can transform your garden's health. Give them a try and see the difference in your plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!